Hello kids, my name is Minnie. Welcome to today's video. Today we will delve into the magical world of tiny creatures. The world of insects. A place that you will have many surprises when you know about it. Let's go find out. Species diversity. The insect world is extremely diverse and beautiful. There are about 6 to 10 million species of insects living on our Earth. They can live in most habitats. We can easily encounter them anywhere. Some typical insect species. Bee. Bees work hard to collect nectar from flowers early in the morning. Nectar and pollen are their food. Honey obtained from beehives is a valuable nutritional food for humans. Ants are insects that live in groups. They eat almost everything and we can easily find them anywhere. Ants are very smart. They have a social organization and specific division of labor for each member of their nest. Spider. Spiders are very common. They live everywhere on Earth. Spiders can shoot silk and create spider web to hunt prey. They are professional hunters. In addition, spiders are also important food for many other animals. Besides the insects mentioned above, there are many other types of insects. They play an important role in balancing the ecosystem. We have basically explored the insect world. Hope the video brings many interesting things to you. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel if you find it interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye.